Yeah, it's a girl team, man.
What do people they say? I'm still not finished.
You know the people that store. Gosh, everybody start getting laugh. Somebody can do something. And then they'll come in my life. Security girl, I'm going to show about the science. You know, Instagram team, like, share, and subscribe. I'm a Jamaica living in Belizean. Come in my life, come by my tripod. Got my tripod room. I see it now today. Me I talk about my tripod room, I see the $20. Yeah, I understand because, hey girl, me I come in here and think about $50, $60 for them. I got one from overseas and put him on the vehicle and I realize that step on it and broke the parts like that. So, to do the video, it's very difficult to move around. So I just want to say, sorry, I just come here and come get it. So when we see the $20, because the cashier in my life, yeah, we got them, we got the security guard, so show them up, because I don't want to come like it. Show them, yeah. Alright, I'm going to get DJ off. She said, call on there, because the lady have a smell nice. Listen to me. Did you know whenever I put up a different video, the people that are watching their favorite video, Bellies? Oh Jesus! I put up a video like one day time I get 1,000 views, 800 views, every night, and then I put up a video about Jamaica. Nobody don't want views. You realize that like when I come in like face of grandma, yes, she said she like come here from grandma. So I'm going to go out with my this. Because of that, you know, love. Alright. That's how all the love, so they give you the madness. No, seriously, I be like, because Saturday I went to the city and go on with my madness, and that day, what it was you? I said, what the people like, come go on, that's all the same way. Get to me and promote your place, because I'm going to get sale. So you can't say me not do a promotion. You can't say me do a promotion. Anyways, bye guys. The girl team I don't know, I don't know, I don't know because it's a day when me have to look for them and draw them up the back. Oi man, oi! Look at the man and come the man. Come man. I stop ramp with me.
Yeah, what's up?
What you trouble man for, brother?
I don't trouble nobody. They don't got no principle. They have to deal with. I don't call no police today and make sure I deal with it. Because the man and I still deal with it. They want to go in a yard and they don't want to ask no permission. They can ask permission in this world.
They get one of them ice cream then, huh?
We are in the neighborhood. We for mine in the neighborhood. Understand?
Why it smell like it that drink? They don't need a girl team mama, they're in the street and I always have all heap of them. The boy gone up there, some boy me I go thump him them back in time and come back in. You hear me? I go thump. And when you ready out I go now, which girl you go impress? Eh? Which girl you look for? You don't know the them do it in the streets. In the streets. I'm in the streets of Belize. I don't know me, is a girl around the whole town and the whole city. Whether them like me or them not like me, them have to love me. So it's a girl team, I like, share and subscribe. I feel look east, north and south because I tell you, you hear me name a call team, you see everybody a wave to me and go out with themselves because them say, hi baby. I tell you, I try to show you. You come in the street, and your husband and wife, them know Mr. and Mrs. Do this. You know what big all about. So today is the day when I come. Rasta, please go get the youth and come for me now. Because today was supposed to be a day when I tell me about how I send him back a Belize. And I told them I have to drop that video there. Because the people them now watch a video.
Mom,
The youth, you look who wanna come back, but them send him back.
Go Cali.
Yes. Go for him from a place.
No, right now he the girl. Right now he are from Caliph today.
the man wants to us now.
Tell Caliph girl say for go and Caliph say I for go home and I may have to bring him home.
Right now.
Yes. So you don't know where they are the streets of Paris streets. They soon tell you what the jump out, everybody be calling him and him come from school. And the piece of cracking. Lip dry.
No. You're wet.
I may have pictures that look good for the camera.
Yeah, man, you lip good.
I don't want people
You think not to zoom in for your lip?
You know, people because start snap there dry.
Every time I say you look like you need to drink some water, check.
I hear some hungry and you not take care of me. You have to go borrow loan. Go buy a little glass.
Yeah.
You have to go take out the loan.
For buy lip glass.
That's why you pop up. You must pass and pop up. You have to take out that big loan at the bank for buy a little glass. Little bomb down the lane.
No, that's right there.
No, for a big bad level. No. Hi, baby. No. Me and my way coming down to the city, I would buy all my own business, all my head, I got my business, never my husband. Only for the year say, home girl, they don't get a Jamaica, go and kick up rum post and I call it my name. So you can imagine how stand there Jamaica and people find them for their Jamaica and talk about me and of course me. Listen, I can say this for sure because I know send people that will show you the video. You see, your truth is that this of use right my body. So it ain't that talking truth, it's shit to me and I flush it on the toilet. So when they want class me, I don't care what you want to do. Personally, I don't give a fuck. I don't care about you. I don't care what you want to say. I don't business about your truth. Me live in Belize, married, and I'm good at this side. You get what I say? So mama, and Melissa kick a proposal to Jamaica. I tell you, say you in a mix
Don't worry about Melissa, man. You hope you for most of the worry about Melissa.
No, but I'm saying this is seriousness. Just imagine stop there Jamaica woman there on TikTok and cuss people before you actually pray for your country.
So better pray that the internet don't come off. Pray that the internet don't come off or you stay on light.
This is just like Mama, I stop category 5 there Jamaica and you're telling me that you go on TikTok where I cuss? That you don't think about the people when they're going to lose them house and things are really happening in Jamaica right now. You have them saying good them on TikTok because me a life journey.
Tell her try to worry about what a hurricane shelter.
I'm like, no, on a big man level, that is so childish, that is so immature, that is so, you can't see them uncomfortable and then they must say, oh, say them about, they must say, good evening, baby. They must say, oh, and send threat and go to police station like life is happening too much right now in a different space and time and the storm and Jaden Smith get taken away and who don't have time for them on TikTok and do that. I thought it was just for entertainment. I never know say it's serious. Like, I didn't even know what ever somebody tell me about it, but as I tell the person for me, I don't care if they want to talk your truth, if they want to lie. I personally don't care. Watch me. Whatever you're speaking on TikTok has nothing to do with me. So if you want to on TikTok, I call up me and Mama, I'm important to you. Me more want to find out how the storm affect the country and what will happen to people. Yo, like people take this thing. It's a pity you already have a wife and you have a one girl in your life. Road boy, it is a pity. Now the kids them can't pass without laughing because they can't get the video. Rastaman, Wagwan. Yes, trust me. But listen. Baby girl, it ain't that serious for me personally. I care zero what you want to talk about. And honestly, I'm going to take everything for my career.
Yeah. 7 minutes.
7 minutes?
Yeah, that's 7 minutes.
And I like it like this. Why? Yeah. They don't know what to say about all of this girl team. Come in, man.
Yeah.
You're taller than the man, bro. You really proud to show them the man?
10
Yeah, 10 seconds.
10.
Yeah.
10 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir, man, don't say 10. Go ahead.
Fuck. Me like this. Me like this. Me like this. Fuck. Brothers having fun. Nothing serious. Come. Come, you know want me do the you know want me set it up? Come on.
Set it up.
Yo, come in, man. I just a friendly match, I know nothing personal. Yo, come in, my boss. Come in, what's the name? Come in, what's the name for the local talking? Come in. There's a storm threatening Jamaica in their category 4 or 5. I'm not sure. Last time they said there are 3. Right? I am in Belize. No storm not threatening me. I'm alright. My mind, they're for my mother, my sister, and my 3 pitney them. Tina, Darian, and Antoine. Cubas, I don't have no time for you. You're irrelevant. Your truth is irrelevant. You get what I'm saying? Jamaica is under attack from a storm. You need to go find something constructive to do with yourself. And a big man level, this is not the time for that. People have been bringing up my phone and I tell me, say they're alive, I call my name, I class. Mama, I never in your battlefield. The only thing I can say to you is that whatever your journey want, that's not my business, but you don't have the right to come tell me, say, me no journey from nowhere, and me friend have to bring you down. Mama, you not really have the right, you have the whole world by your side. You have the whole world, everybody by your side, my friend. Come over here somewhere, you can't afford to lose it. You can't afford for that. You have the whole world by your side, my friend. So if Journey want to talk to me and me want to talk to Journey, you should make that a fuck you with your mates. You understand me? And I'm going to show you a thing. Somebody send Journey a message. You have a whole heap of connection all around the globe because of TikTok. So based on the fact that you have a lot of minions them was them and them black people black people, you monetize the people them way black people. So you have a lot of people, and because you're good at masterminding, manipulating people, they will do things on the behalf of you. So should get a threat. Now make the people in my company like, oh, and I feel a friend of me. It ain't that serious. It's supposed to be entertainment. It ain't that serious. So what I'm trying to say to you is that there's more serious, critical things going on right now in Jamaica that need your assistance and your attention. Mama, you love limelight too much, Virgin. You love the media, you love the spotlight too much. That's your problem. So now that the storm is here and people supposed to be focused on putting people in a shelter, finding food for people and all of that, you want the media talk about journey. Look how long journey post a video there. I never yesterday.
Nope.
And then yesterday night, yo! Bye-bye. And then yesterday night, today the video post. That video the post, what we thought that too. You're not catching me, boy, you catch me, man. You get me? So, what I'm trying to say to you is that Cubans, right now, that's not that time there. Circle back the black people. Get what I'm saying?
You have to tell her, prepare yourself, put some groceries in your house. Try full water one time because you might not get water and knock out the water.
Yeah, that's where.
Try buy a flashlight, buy a lamp.
See the internet when light gone. You blood clot the media talk about. Angel grew up. Angel aka Cubas grew the fuck up. Because personally, I don't give a fuck about your truth. Your truth is like shit to me. Me don't flush that in the toilet. My past is shit that I pass out and I flush it in the toilet. So when you want upon the media talk about my past and what me do on class and talk all the way I talk, it's not important to me. I always laugh off of you. Because you're alone and clown out yourself with all of the idiots them who after the upon the media to seek validation. What you're doing, your truth is you're seeking validation from people. So that's why you have to go up on TikTok and you have to rebirth all of this stale story. Because you talk about my past, mama talk to my presence. And you alone stuck down on my past. My past, I shit it up. It's stink. You understand me? So that's what I'm saying to you. I'm going to flush you in the toilet and the shit. And my past and your truth, everything gone down in the toilet. So catch this woman. I don't give a fuck about you nor your truth. You're not making sense to me. You need to go get a life. To sort out the demons that we are struggling with. The validation we are seeing from the public and the acceptance from the people that we are around. Personally, I don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a fuck about you. You stupid ass bitch, I don't give a fuck about you. And just but I didn't laugh here on the camera. But just go by one tripod because my tripod didn't break, that's why I'm not even interested in video from what here. So if you feel like no one go back my lights go back have one more kind of the past sale. Keep it just in case an accident incident happen again. They have one cafe backup plan. So
you have to pay that big amount of money again.
Yeah, I understand. So I buy one and throw it on my food for throw it on my put it on. I get to me and say don't know. Do you want to have my business? Where do you stand up? I don't believe you. That dollar for you?
One to drive your Ecuador, one to drive your Ecuador. Ecuador, you are like this, one to drive your
You wait till I'm father to I know.
Ecuador, I like Ecuador.
Wait till that.
So no for the other dollar?
Wait till that.
Only got shilling, only got shilling.
Oh my God. Yeah, the dollar. Then I have no dollar. $7 pocket.
Where's the gun with that?
Pick out a dollar there, video man. Pick out a dollar. You have a dollar?
I don't know.
You have none?
I don't know. I don't know.
Look in your pocket there, sir.
No man.
Yeah. If you find shilling anything, pick it up. What you say? And? Good? Take care. Even though we know it's a rain, but we just can't help it because at the end of the day, she might really do what we buy. If she want to buy with it, if she want to buy with it, that's it's up on she. You know what I mean? But I just normally just try to assist them. Yeah. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Yeah, my man, they're not working now. I got a nigga with me tonight.
The video, the roll, man. Let's go, man. Action.
So we have a plan to do now. No lighter. See, you see, actually, just your birthday and that's just it. Just stay home, you know, do nothing. And a plan to go put up a dinner date.
Oh yeah, I have my dinner on November the 8th.
November the 8th and October. Boy, this is not safe. This is not safe. And we're in October, today we're the 28th, 27th.
Yo, what about farm straight?
26th of October. Live up yourself.
Hey.
She's my baby.
None of that.
She's
I know why he had that.
She's my baby.
You know why he had that.
Not like what you think. She's my baby and I love her. First, my find out that she's this young. Like, she's like my adopted daughter. So listen to
When
me.
I see her by herself, I lock up her.
Just imagine. So you get a mother, your mother, fitting wife, you're going to lock you up. That's a fear.
I said, walk past street, loitering, come.
Right, just call my phone. I said, mommy,
Come here, man.
Daddy lock me up. I'm in trouble. So do not see my child out in the street and disturb her.
That's the best rock, man.
Okay. You're supposed to protect you. You're supposed to protect her. Don't make nobody feel like if anybody try me just call me. One phone call, I'm not full up. Yeah. And then go see her, you know. Yeah. But yeah, what much of that, man?
Not next week.
Oh.
Next week, that 8th.
Husband, what go on? You there, your husband, mate.
You want a thump in your back for this camera or what?
Well, the cameraman, I got broke 5 to block me.
You want to know who you talk to just now?
Jaja, cameraman, I got broke my spear. I have to pull him off. Okay, so we're planning to go for the dinner.
I'll take more.
Carl, everything good?
Well, you know my cameraman, you know. Well, you know my cameraman. So we're not going like some people.
Work, no time for myself.
Say no fly, come back.
No time for myself. I work Sunday. I work on Sunday. Like 1 hour, 1 year.
So you take that day off to go fly to some place. Remember you're going to say you're flying, you're not a baby for feed. You're not a baby for feed. You're not a man who has stress. A straight person for come around yourself.
True.
So you see right now, you have to live their splendorous lifestyle. Flights, when you want a flight, girl, when you're young and bougie, you don't have no baby. You do everything where you feel like. I'm encouraging you, enjoy the fullest of life. Get your passport, travel, do not swim in a Belize like. You understand me? At 2025 now, a civilized time now. You see the back end of the slavery days thing, we come out of that. You say you're not pretty and nice? Why? Go to Panama for your birthday. Yes, hey, good girl. Jesus, if you ever tell me, that's a let us plan a trip straight to Panama, first class flight. Yes, I can't stay, that's the thing. Oh yeah, enjoy yourself. Start the Christmas flag off Panama. Got the trip outside of Belize, Mexico. And like $20 a night, yes. So you can put like a week. Because remember, as I said, you're hard working. You need to treat yourself.
True.
You get me? Over Mexico, I got Cancun. Cancun is where I went to Cancun. Cancun, nice girl. Like, boy, I want that money. Good girl, that's how Mr. Stephen Curry wife I come to them say, like, shit, tell. Friend, 6'5" or 4 inches rich, big basketball player. Boy, I'm a second blood clot right there, so I'm a second like quickly. she come, what she worry about? Tell her talk about this and she regrets it, she mad. I be like, girl, shut the fuck up. Cause we don't have to want the money we ask, the man and waste. Oh, go on. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's the best. So, I'm not moving forward, but they see if you're working 7 days a week. Tell the truth. If I tell you what my money just drop out of the sky for you.
Oh God.
Drop that out of the sky, we'll just pick it up. Because I'm not gonna lie to you, for me personally, like you know, I've been 18. If I did have the opportunity like you, where I can actually choose, because back in my days, I got pregnant early. So when I your age, I actually pregnant the second child. So when I see young girls like you, without any child, ambitious, working and stuff like that, I always try to encourage you and talk to you and get attached to you very fast. Because guess why? When I was your age, I didn't have anybody to do what I am doing to you. You understand me? So personally, I love seeing young girls that can hold up on the head, don't follow nobody, don't mingle with the wrong company, stick to you where you do what is it that you want. When you're ready, I'm tell you what, because I see a lot of persons and I can say this. It ain't a fling one of it. It ain't a thing. You get me? You know what the thing? And when you can jump on a flight when you don't have nobody and shouting when you go up on a flight. You know, pick you up and nobody say, you left your blood clot picnic, you left your picnic, and when you gonna. No, girl, a flex for you right now. You jumping on a flight and just know say you're there in the plane and you're there at the window, you're just you outside. You see, I want to not lie to you, you always there, human here. I've never seen you in her plastic here. And the lady have on her braces, and the lady, she's one of the top class. Them. I don't know whosoever have anything personal to say about you. I don't know, I haven't heard, so I can't go into that. But I can say this after what you have always kept yourself clean, you always have a little finger you to do. You know, little simple, simple and cute. I like that and I like the fact that I like the way I do. Make sure you get to college or one college and you know education is the way.
True. That's everyone. That's great. January.
I like this about you. I like this. You have this radiance. Why if my son never died, I'm going to come that. You have to come to you. You have to be a nice daughter. You can't. There's nobody's making son. Not being a baby mother, but being in a relationship where the two only get to grow together. Because he's 19, so he's just a bit older than him. And time being a trouble and being able to scar him, I'm just going to beat up anybody. I understand it, but yeah, I like, because what I tell people every day, when I was young, I never have nobody for show me the way, and I get mixed up with bad people. Like, they want to say, oh, they must speak them truth, but they're not speaking the truth. For them truth, I want them copy and paste. So me now go on the media, go back and forth with them, but try so that a lie, that a, if I your truth, it's your truth. I fighting you for your truth. And that's what I tell people. I'm comfortable in my space. Whatever you want to tell people about me, it's okay. But now try to clear it up. But now try counteract or whatever. People go life for me and mama. Me now go life for them. Because me now no time for that. If you feel like go life to clear up your truth, that's your truth. I can fight you for your truth. But when I was young, me shouldn't force me and them. We're supposed to be a friend. Don't associate yourself with certain people, because I think when I was younger I had trauma bonding, because them come with a certain things for them I got through, and you know they say your friend and when everybody say oh you can't part with them and this and them and that, because other people write them off. That was the reason why I be friend with them, because I said everybody I write her off like she with somebody, and then guess what, no, she have the whole media from her side and I look like I said something bad about her, and I never said anything bad. No, I just repeat what she said. She said she have focus, and I said I can send it to the video if you go look on it. I simply said we were friends on in Jamaica from before. There's a girl from TikTok, she named Cute Boss, and she on a different side of the table, because I am married, she's not. She said she don't want a man, she don't want a marriage, she don't want this, and I want it. So tell me what I say wrong about her. If I am married and I want a man, I want to be married, I want to be kept, But she said she don't want to get married, she don't want, she don't take man serious, she don't that. Are we on the same side of the table? We're on opposite side. Now she, I make it think that I say, I never say anything bad about her, I just said, me know her, me see her on the media, we are on the opposite side of the table. Up to today, I star in Jamaica, you know about it, right? And you know, so the star there in Jamaica, woman, if I like this man in a post, after star by Jamaica, for my shop, the whole of Jamaica, you 5 times for them on the media post. Before you go sit, you can help you look at food and, you know what, buy look at, kit, rescue kit and give some people. We don't have time for that to the media post. Never tell us.
Thank you, baby.
So we have to tell us it ain't that serious, baby girl. It's not. For me personally, it's not that serious. And I really want to go around and encourage young people to hold them head up. Strive for a better life. Be better than your mother. You're not putting down your mother, you're not talking about your mother. But if your mother gets too sexy, you get 5. Represent her. If your mother usually struggling for your girls school, and then she come at graduation and cry tears of joy because she see the struggle. You know this man in the son send some money because they can't go to study because they get over that. Send them a husband. You know my son, mother and some mom, you know me not really too interested in the Americanism because them no want work. If them work, the money done in a 1-2 year time and then they want man to give them money. Personally, me not have time for this. I can Senegal, Western Union out of my bank book. I not have to wait and pay. And that made me feel so good. You know why? Because in the America, no man not bend him over, him not bend over no man. He's working honestly for him bread. When him leave work, he goes straight to home. Because I teach him that. I tell him, I say, look for a nice girl. That's why I get married. Because you know why? I want to look for the girl and say, yo, you're fit today with my son. I don't want you there, my son. I say, who is you? Who is you for telling me, boy, your son? So I need to change and get my act together. Because only I come pick me out of here, I will never be trapped in a man. What kind of woman would I want to represent my son? So I have to live by example. So it makes sense. But then now, when you're out there doing things like you want to do, don't accept no man cheating on you. This is my advice to you.
Evening, Mama.
Do not accept no man
Everything
cheating
good?
on you because you're not 7 out of 10, you are the 10. You make sure you know to wash, clean, yeah. But however, you work for your own. So when you go to a man, say you are the table, and him ask what you bring to the table, you start name out all the way. You are the table, but you pack what you bring to the table and make you know what kind of place. You understand me? And trust me, life will be easier for you. And make nobody tell about all of them money I do, but a lie you tell. A man treats you how him view you. See you walk with the head up high, see me, you don't drop it down. Treat yourself. You see me go back in and make a boy carry yourself. You get me? Treat yourself, love yourself. So when a man love upon you, it's a plus. A man and an Indian. Go round! Fuck! Come on,
They like play.
happy birthday. Belated birthday.
Thank you.
Asha 18, look for that.
Oh my God.